So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys facing an app security error has occurred 10009 in your solo leveling arise. So guys, watch this video till end because I am showing in this video why you are facing this error problem in your solo leveling error and how to fix this error. So guys, follow these steps and watch this video till end. So the first step is go to the phone settings. Yes guys, you have to go to the phone settings, and this is the first step. Now going on the second step. So the second step is find apps option and select it. Yes guys, after go to the phone settings, you have to find the apps option, and after finding the apps option you have to select it. After selecting the apps option, if you are facing the manage apps option, you have to click on the manage apps, and the installed apps list will be appear on your screen. So you have to search for solo leveling arise game and select it. After selecting the game, you have to clicking on the storage option, and after click on the storage button, you have to clear the cache of the solo leveling arise game, and also you have to clear some of the storage of your phone. And after this, you have to open your solo leveling arise game, and you have to try to log in with your guest account. And after login with your guest account, your error problem will be fixed, and now you can play your solo leveling arise game easily without any error problem. If you guys facing any other problem, you can comment me. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.